Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a leaked thing for the custom pet update, so let's just get into the video. So about 2 months ago, I posted a video of the real reason Prodigy changed the pet design, and it had not this. So it said, so this person named Nupoku406 posted a thing. They asked Prodigy about if they would ever be able to bring back the old pet skins. They said no, and then they gave a list of reasons why. Because they're going to be changing, they're going to let you change the color of your pets, rename your pets, dress up your pets with clothes, decorations, and other stuff. Pet dances and other animations allow your pets to follow you in your world like buddies, and pet minigames. So we have finally got something about this, and I will show you it. So right here, Chris found something in the game files. I will leave his channel link in the description. So, this is the picture that he found in the game files for, like, the pets, or like what you'd have in the pet book. So right here, there's a paintbrush. Right here, there is a faded paintbrush. And right here, there is a paintbrush. So what this could mean is that we are going to be getting it really soon, because as somewhere in here he says, it appears that they were added in version 18 of the Atlas, which is very recent. So this could be coming very soon to the game. And so this is the Atlas for the pet menu. It's the thing that appears when you click on the pets and then the info. So it does show the paintbrushes here, paintbrush icons in the pet book. To me, this could mean only one thing: the customization update, and it may be coming soon. So this would be version 17, this would be version 18. We aren't going to go compare them, but I do have a theory about what the customization ones could look like. So at first, when Summerfest came out, I saw this and I was kind of wondering, like, what's in this background? Because I saw this over here. It's wearing stuff. Sprout, I'm pretty sure. So I couldn't find a much better image of it, but right here, I found this. This was from Prodigy Math Game thumbnail. And we can see a decent picture of Sprout wearing a pool floaty and sunglasses. So we do have this floaty. This is the only floaty in the game, but it looks nowhere close to what this floaty looks like. This one's more of a blue. So what I think this could mean is this is one of the decorations that they were talking about in the email. And then right here are the festival glasses, which is the other thing that Sprout is wearing. Those would be like a clothes that you can wear, like how they said that you could dress up your pet. So I do have one more thing. This is a very big long shot. So I did actually find a better picture of this right here. So yeah, it definitely does have a blue floaty on. So the final thing that I have is right here. As you can see, there is a wizard. What is it doing? It's fighting the Titan. No, it's riding Smoldash. Maybe one thing that they forgot to mention was that you were going to get to ride pets. But yeah, so that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and bye.